In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create image overlay in Webflow. By the end, you'll know how to place an image and a gradient on top of each other inside a single element, so you can create readable hero sections, hover effects, or stylish cards with consistent on-brand color treatments. First, open your Webflow project in the designer. Make sure you're on the page and section where you want the overlay to live. It's helpful to think ahead about the layout. An overlay usually sits on top of an image inside a section, div, or card wrapper. Next, open the Add Elements panel and drag a div block onto the canvas. This div will act as your overlay container. Place it inside the parent element where you want the effect to appear. If you already have content on the page, position the div above that content in the navigator, so it sits in the correct stacking order. With the div selected, head to the Style panel and change its position to Absolute. Absolute positioning takes the div out of the normal document flow and lets it sit above other elements. For best results, make sure the parent element is positioned relative, absolute, or fixed, so the overlay anchors to that parent instead of the entire page. This small detail keeps your overlay exactly where you expect it. Confirm absolute is applied, then pin the overlay where you need it. To make a full cover overlay, set the top, right, bottom, and left offsets to 0. This stretches the div to fill its parent. If you prefer a smaller overlay, adjust width and height instead. You can also set a min height to keep it responsive and ensure it looks good on different screen sizes. Now it's time to add visuals. With the overlay div still selected, go to the background section in the Style panel. You'll see options to add an image and a gradient. Click to add a gradient first if you want the color wash on top, then add the image beneath it. The order of these layers matters. Gradients and images stack in the list from top to bottom. Add your photo by uploading or selecting one from your assets. Then fine-tune the overlay look by adjusting the gradient colors, angle, and opacity. Lower the top gradient's opacity to let the image show through, or increase it for strong contrast that helps text pop. You can also adjust image position, sizing, and repeat settings to ensure the composition feels balanced. That's it. Your image overlay is set up and ready to style further with text, buttons, or hover interactions.